Ladies and gentlemen, our first award-winning car of the day, as judged by our esteemed group of judges, 1985 Lancia, owned by John and Suzanne Campion from Jacksonville, Florida. Best in class, a racing Lancia. A Group B rally car, turbocharged and supercharged. How, say that again.
Turbocharged, supercharged, 1.7 liter, 0 to 60, 2.3 seconds.
How many horsepower?
550.
Wow, this car must have a great racing history.
Yeah, this car did very well. What's really interesting is we're showing this car today in the livery it raced its last race exactly 30 years ago next week. It placed on the podium at the Sardinian Rally.
And it still has 150 horsepower, turbocharged and supercharged. That's a rarity.
That's correct, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. An incredible Lancia, ladies and gentlemen. 1985 Lancia race car, 550 horsepower. John and Suzanne Campion from Jacksonville, Florida. That is best in class. 1959